If we are making a 3D animation cartoon or video, then such tree tops are needed, and if you put it on a table, it looks pretty like this. So in this video we will see how to design such a 3D top very easily. So let's start the tutorial. To open the Blender and delete the default cube, we will create a pot like cup here. So go to add menu and open a mesh. Then take a UV shape, press S and smaller it. Go down a bit by pressing G+Z. Okay, well, now turn on geometric or grid mode and go to edit mode. We will delete some vertical grids, so keep this axis point at XYZ position. It will be easy to select the grids. Select upper rows grid with the selection tool and now press the delete button on the keyboard and delete vertically. Select the following grids in the same way and delete them vertically. Now we see it as a cup, but its bottom is bare. So we will fill it. Make sure to turn on grid mode and place it the axis point at -XYZ angle. Then just select the top rows grids and open face menu. Click fill grid. We can see that the hole is filled. Now if we go back to solid mode, we can see the bottom is filled of the pot. We will increase its thickness, so go to the modify and add solidify. Increase thickness a bit. That's well. Now we'll smooth the pot, so go to modify again and click on subdivision surface. Increase some below and apply this. And just look, now the pot is absolutely perfect. And now we will prepare the soil for placing the plant in the pot. So take a mesh first and go to add menu, then add a mesh. Take a circle mesh, press S to scale it and keep the cup side for now. I'm keeping it left side. Now click on circle and go to edit mode. Open face and fill grid. Now right click and click subdivide. Take 3 numbers of cards and turn on random curve icon. Press G and drag your mouse to top. We can see a noise effect on this. So go to modify and add subdivision surface. Increase volume some. I keep it. Back to object mode and then go to shading mode to paint soil color. Here if the object looks small, click on the camera icon and then we will see perfectly. Add new color. Select the soil color here. Decrease its brightness some. That's well. Back to object mode again and press G and set the cup in the center. Then select the circle shape. Press G+Z and move along the Z axis. Set it center and decrease size a little. Press G+Z to enter in the cup. Okay, perfect. Again go to shading mode to color the cup. So select the cup and add a new color. Take your favorite base color. I keep it. It's perfect color like a soil pot. Now come back to object mode and look at. Finally we can add a small tree for our top. Go to add menu and open curve. Here we can see a tree preset is available. If you don't have it, go to the edit menu and go to presets. Then go to add-ons. We'll search and add sapling tree. Then tree from here, come to curve menu and you will get it. So let's add a tree. Press S to scale it. Okay, enough. Set it in the center. Press function key F9 and then you will get a pop-up box like this. Here we can design the tree. I will just make a normal design like aloe vera. So open the branch radius and take bevel ratio is 0.05. Then go to branch growth and reduce the length. Okay, perfect. Press S and scale it perfectly. Set it in center of the cup. Well, looking nice. Go to shading mode to paint the tree and add a new color. Select the base color green, and now we can see its beauty. Go back the object mode and enjoy its beauty. If we place it on a table, we will see its real beauty. So I place it. So guys, that's a simple tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for more great videos.